day 7 of the Mixed Quartz from the Hogg Mine, and we're going to pull that off. It was into the stage 3 polish, which was the 500 grit, and we'll be going on to the 1200 grit. So we're going to pull it off and see what we got. Alright, this one's just going to be a quick update. These are the Mixed Quartz. I would say it's 4. You can see the nice rose color in that one. Stripes in that one. This orange one looks nice. So I'm just going to load them back up and put them in the tumbler and put them back on the backup tumbler. I'm not going to bore you with loading up grit and all that. We're just going to make this a short update. And then we'll see you next time out. Load it back up and away it tumbles.